Hi, this is the shortest instruction on how to extend a generated video. The browser I'm working in is Google Chrome. As an example, we'll use a website for generating photos and videos, Grok. Let's assume we already have a generated image that we want to bring to life. Here we write, "The character jumps onto the shore." Then we send it. This is the video we get. The character jumps onto the shore exactly as we described. And here's an important point. We need to choose the very last frame, somewhere around here. We right-click and select Copy Video Frame. Then we click Imagine. Paste it, and we get a continuation of this frame. Look, this is our first video, and this is the frame used to continue it. Next, we write the prompt, "The character jumps into the water." And this is the continuation we get. During editing, we simply stitch both videos together, the first one with the second, and end up with a video longer than 6 seconds. Using this method, you can extend a scene infinitely. In the end, you can create a full-length animated movie or even a film. And if you still don't know which neural network is best for generating videos, check out my next video.